Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Dr. Mario. And I know that I drawn Mario before, but this Dr. uniform is actually kind of cool looking. Alright, so to begin, we're just going to draw in the head, and we're going to draw in his nose first, which is going to be quite large. So just draw like a little, kind of like an egg shape on his side. And then from here, we're going to draw in his eye. So just come to on the side right here. Just go up. And then come back down. Now this part's a little bit tricky. Okay, it kind of looks like Mickey Mouse. Alright, so then from here, we're going to draw in the eyeballs inside. So just come to the edge right here. So it's going to be closer to the middle. And we're just kind of drawing the same shape here. That's the outside. And then right here, I'm just going to add one little circle. That's going to be the highlight. Let me shade around this. Okay, that'll give us his eyes. And then from here, we're going to draw in his cool looking mustache. So just come to the middle of the nose right here. Just going to curve out. Just right underneath the eyes. And then let's see, we'll just bracket down like this first. Sometimes it's easier this way. Come back to the middle, make a little dot right here. I'm gonna draw one little bump here. It's gonna be the same on the other side. Okay, once we have that, one more. And then whatever space here, just connect it. Just make it as if it's another bump. Okay, so now that we have the mustache, let's go ahead and finish up the bottom of the face first. So I'm just gonna bracket around the mustache. And then just come down. Could be a little bit sharper down here on the chin. And let's see, yeah, we'll just leave the lip like that. It's actually okay with his mouth, you know, behind the mustache. All right, so from here, we're gonna go up. Just go straight up. You leave a little bit of space here. One line across. And then once we have that line, we can draw in the eyebrow, which is gonna be behind this line right here. Just gonna draw a curve like this first. Maybe closer down here. Once you have that, we're gonna go up. So it's gonna be like a little crescent shape. But it's gonna be behind the line there. Okay, so once you have this, just extend this. And then just come down, so this is gonna be his hair. And then it's got those big ears, so it's gonna be right around here in the eye. Big little point there. And it's gonna come all the way down here. So again, really large ears. So now it looks like Mario, right? And then we can add a little detail right here, just one little curve. Alright, so come up here, right on top of this line, we're going to draw one big circle. Right in the center, just draw another circle. Okay, so this is going to be a band right here. So we're just going to go up and just come in. So just draw one little section. And now it's going to be easy to connect up the hair. So just curve down. And then this side, we're going to let's give it a couple of angles like this. Okay, so that's his head. And now let's draw in the body. All right, so we're going to come down. Let's see. Let's draw in it's got a little, we'll draw in the kind of tie inside first. With just one little angle coming down. And then for the tie, you make a little line like this. Here's the knot going up. And then this one's gonna go down. And we won't see the rest. Okay, so now that we have this, now let's finish up the body. So here's his shoulder. Here's the armpit. Now for his coat, just gonna come down. gonna make it a little bit wavy right here. Have it come out. Come back to the middle here. Come down. Now I'm gonna extend this way and then just connect to that. And then on the other side, same thing. All right, and to finish up the coat on the inside, it's got the collar right here. So just come right in the middle of this line. Just add a little bracket like this. I know it's very strange, but once we connect them, just go in. So that's the bottom, and then this one's gonna go up. So very simple, just add a little bracket in the middle. Okay, and then let's see the two big buttons. This one's easy. And all right, let's go ahead and finish up the pocket. So it's just a line and then curve out. All right, so we're gonna finish up the legs first because the legs are really simple. We'll make it nice and short. The inside right here, we can add one little line. Come down. Maybe a little too short, or make it a little bit longer. Okay. And then from here, these are the same length. I'm gonna extend this one, going down a little bit more. And then just draw one curve. Just kind of have a little bit of a wavy line there. Curve and then go this way. All right, and then for the shoe, come down with a slight bracket, and then this side is gonna come out. And then we'll close that off. That's gonna be the shoe. So come out, come across, and let's see, we can add a line there if you like, just to add in some extra detail. All right, and let's see. All right, now let's draw the arms. So we're gonna come back up here and we'll keep it simple. We'll just curve out. Just draw one line, it's got those big hands. And we can connect this right here. That's gonna be the armpit. Now for the glove. So just pinch in. And then now for his hand. It's one little hook like this. Let's give him a little fist here. So we're gonna come down. That's gonna be the back of the hand. Come down and then just tuck it right up to the thumb. And then from here, just add one little line. All right, so same thing here. So we're just gonna draw one line. Here, armpit, just connect that. Pinch it in, just like this. And then now for the thumb. It's one hook coming down. And then here's the back of the hand or the back of the fist. Come down, go up. And then same thing here. One little line. All right, and if you want to draw in the, I think it's called a stethoscope. Okay, and we can draw in, so this one's pretty simple. I'm just gonna draw in a circle like this right here. Let's draw another circle. And if you're going over these lines, you know, you can just erase what's inside, so it's no big deal. Okay, and then we're gonna go up. I'm gonna make this a little bit thicker. Okay, so it's gonna come down on the other side now. So now I'm gonna go out. A little bit of a U shape here, upside down U shape. And then we just kind of pinch it in. So this one's a little bit smaller, a little bit thinner. Okay, so thicker on top, and then this part's gonna be almost like a little pincher thing. All right, so that's pretty much it for this Dr. Mario. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.